Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to force peak refresh rate on Android using developer options. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down to the very bottom of the menu and tap directly on About Phone or About Device. Locate the entry labeled Build Number. Tap on Build Number 7 times in rapid succession until a pop-up message appears stating you are now a developer. If prompted, enter your lock screen PIN, password, or pattern to authorize developer access. Go back to the main settings menu, scroll down and tap on System or look for developer options directly. Inside the System menu, tap on Developer Options to open the Advanced Configuration Parameters. Scroll down through the options until you locate the toggle switch labeled Force Peak Refresh Rate or Smooth Display. Tap the toggle switch next to Force Peak Refresh Rate to turn it on. The system display engine will instantly stop dynamically scaling down your refresh rate to save battery, keeping your screen locked at its maximum 90 Hz, 120 Hz, or 144 Hz output at all times for maximum smoothness across all apps. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.